In life, some people break down over the smallest setback, while others face huge storms, yet remain calm like still water. Why is that? Is it because their life is easier? No, it's because their heart is bigger. When your heart is small, even a tiny problem feels like a mountain. But when you grow your patience and widen your perspective, even big troubles lose their power. Today's story will show you a simple truth. Peace doesn't come from a problem-free life, it comes from a strong and spacious heart. So listen carefully, because this story is not just to hear, it's to feel, understand, and apply. In a crowded city lived a young man named Aiden. From the outside, everything seemed fine, but inside, his heart was restless. His career was stuck, his relationships were failing, and every day felt like a burden. He often wondered, why is life so unfair to me? One morning, unable to bear his thoughts, he went for a long walk near a river outside the city. There, he noticed an elderly fisherman sitting calmly by the water, smiling as if he carried no worries at all. Aiden hesitated for a moment, but finally walked up to him. "Sir," he said softly, "you look so peaceful. Can I ask you something? How do you stay so calm? I feel like I'm carrying the weight of the world, while you look free." The fisherman didn't answer immediately. Instead, he handed Aiden 2 identical cups. "Go fill both with water from the river," he said. Aiden did as he was told. The fisherman then placed a small stone in one cup and a large rock in the other. "Now drink from the first cup," he instructed. Aiden took a sip. "Ugh," he spat it out. "It's muddy now." "Now try the other." Aiden drank. Surprisingly, the water still tasted fine. The old man smiled and said, "Both cups came from the same river, but one got spoiled with a small stone. The other didn't change even with a bigger one. Why?" Aiden thought for a moment. "Because the second cup had more water." "Exactly," the fisherman nodded. "Your heart works the same way. If your patience is small, even little problems will pollute your peace. But if your heart is wide like this river, even heavy problems won't shake you." Aiden lowered his head. "But how do I make my heart bigger?" The old man looked at the flowing river and said, "Stop holding every problem so close. When someone hurts you, forgive. When life disappoints you, learn. Don't complain. When things don't go your way, trust that life has a longer plan than you can see. Your heart expands every time you let go instead of holding on." Aiden stood silently. For the first time in a long while, he felt light. The old man continued, "You cannot control what happens to you, but you can control how much space you give it inside you. Don't be a glass that breaks from a drop of pain. Be an ocean that absorbs everything, yet stays calm on the surface." Aiden thanked him and walked away. His problems didn't disappear, but something inside him had changed. His heart had begun to grow. So now ask yourself, are you reacting like a cup or responding like an ocean? Are you shrinking under pain or expanding beyond it? Life will not get easier, but you can become stronger. Make your heart bigger than your problems. Only then will peace finally find its home within you.